Hey guys, I'm having a particularly difficult time with Loom today, so I'm going to try taking 4.5 and making two different videos to see if I can't have some success. So here we go with part one. First we're going to do some definitions. The problem with real life is it doesn't always graph to be a perfectly straight line. Sometimes you're going to have a scatter plot, so you can see on these graphs here the points do not make a perfect line. You've probably used this a lot in like science class, things like that. So when we look at the data, the closer it is, that matters. And we're going to call that a correlation. How is the data correlated to each other? How is it related? And so in these first two, I can see that the data kind of has a trend. It's going somewhere. The tighter the points are to making a straight line, the stronger the correlation is. And then we're going to label it as positive or negative, depending on like its slope. So like this first one, if I was to draw a line, it kind of goes in an upward direction. That would be a positive slope. Since on the second one, if I drew a line, it kind of goes in a negative direction. That would be negative correlation. And this last one, the data is so scattered, there's no possible way I can write or draw a line that even kind of looks like what the data is doing. The data just looks like just all over the place. It's crazy. So this one has no correlation. So what we're going to do is we're going to be given some graphs, and they're going to say, okay, tell me if it has a correlation. Well, do this. Try and draw a line. Can you draw a line? Then yes, it has a correlation. Since it's going up, this one has a positive correlation. They do want me to go ahead and describe the meaning in this situation. So read the graph. I have hours and wages. The hours are going up, so are the wages. So I might write a sentence something like, the more hours worked, the more money made. That's supposed to be an R. Okay, this bottom one. Again, can you draw a line? Yes. All right, then it has a correlation. Since it's going up, I'm going to say that this one is positive. And this sentence, let's see, the years are increasing. The number of travelers is increasing. So maybe my sentence is something like, as the years continue on, the number of travelers increases. All right, that's part one.